This product is designed with an aim to spread knowledge about the need of air conditioning and uses of air conditioning in different places. This product takes you through the fundamentals about moisture and air conditioning, different units of heat, air conditioning cycle, process of air conditioning, how the refrigerant is cooled down, and different types of compressors, reciprocating, rotary, and scroll. It also enables you to understand the use of different tools. So, enhance your technical skills on refrigeration and air conditioning by learning at your own pace and comfort through real-life simulations.